Am I audible?
Uh, yeah, hope everyone is.
Hi, Ravi.
Yeah,
Good evening.
yeah.
Okay.
Good evening, all. Yeah, thanks for. Tim, just give me a minute.
So, Anusa, Veda, Arun, Dipti, Karthik, so did you get any time on weekends to do any programming or you have not checked whatever Ravi has taught you? Hello?
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Did you practice or you have not checked anything?
We
Practice,
have
practice.
just gone through the previous session and all, ma'am.
Okay.
I have practiced a little bit. Rest of it I'll do it by now or night.
Okay, okay. Okay, good.
um, yeah, I heard that you have few doubts in Python actually. So there are few concepts that which you didn't understand quite right. So can you let me know like what are those concepts so that we can just reiterate on that. So today also we are going to discuss on Python actually. So if you can point out those concepts, then we can reiterate on those concepts. Tomorrow we're going to start on Hadoop class, Hadoop MapReduce and Yarn. Yeah, but today let's continue on Python. But before that, I just wanted to hear from you. What are the topics you feel difficult? So those things we can just reiterate.
Yeah, Veda, Arun, Karthik, please let us know what are the topics you need to cover.
Yeah.
Dipti, Anusa, because today we are going to repeat the Python again. So could you please let us know what are the topics we need to cover so that we can cover today? Please speak.
Sir, dictionary once again.
Okay. Dictionary. And what else?
And the next day classes
And
after dictionary.
dictionary and
After,
hmm,
sir, after second class is there now, sir. Python second class.
Python second class. Okay. Listed
Uh,
comprehension.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Those two things.
Uh,
So
yes.
hmm, yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Sir, sir, yes.
Okay, only nest dictionary, one thing, and list comprehension, sure, definitely. And what else? Only those two things. That means you already good with this list set tuple and dictionary, like normal. Dictionary anyway, I'm going to explain, but list set and tuple, you're good, right? No need
Yes,
to
sir,
repeat.
yes. Yes.
Okay. So only you need help with this dictionary and list comprehension. Okay, sure. Only those two things. Fine. So in case of anything after this call as well, you can always reach out to me. Okay. Let me share my screen. Hmm, okay. Are you guys able to see my screen
No, sir.
now?
No, sir,
No.
no.
No, sir. Yes,
Still
sir.
not. Yeah. Yeah. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just opening Jupyter Lab. Yeah. What this? Let me open this Python notebook. Okay. First of all, we'll start with dictionary, right? So hope you got an idea about this list dictionary and sorry, list sets and tuples. So can anyone quickly let me know like what is list, what is set, what is tuples, so that I can confirm that you guys are good with this list sets and tuples. Hello.
Yes, sir. I know it, sir.
Yeah. Just let me know. The class know like any simple words like what is list, what is set, what is tuple. That's it.
It's like basically the list, tuple, and
Hmm.
dictionary are ordered, sir. In set, it is actually unordered.
Yeah.
In list, it is changeable.
Hmm.
In tuple, it is not changeable. It is like unchangeable. Again, in
Yes.
set also, it is unchangeable. In
Okay.
dictionary, it is changeable, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Then it is like
Hmm.
in list, it allows the duplicates, sir, to do it changes. Even in
Okay.
tuple also, but in set, it is not there, and even in dictionary, no duplicates, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Like that.
Yeah.
List is immutable and it's immutable.
Sorry. List is
Mutable.
okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Sets are immutable.
Immutable. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, seems you guys are good. Just keep on practicing, okay? So just those functions, right, which we listed here. So this create, indexing, slicing, add items, remove items, all these things. Just keep on practicing, then you will start. And can anyone let me know what is deep copy and shallow copy? Quickly, like deep
Like,
copy
so shallow copy, it actually refers to the memory, sir.
refers,
So
yeah.
there we can like change the original data, sir.
Okay, okay. So
In
it refers to the memory. Okay, and deep copy, does it
in
refers to the memory or it will create a new memory?
It will create new memory.
Create new memory.
new
Okay.
memory. Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. In
And it will
shallow.
store the data there only. It will create new
So
and it will store.
Store.
okay. Okay. In shallow copy, if I change the data, does it change the original data?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In deep copy,
No, I think, sir.
it won't change actually because it created a new memory, right? So now
Yes,
you have
yes,
a
sir.
new data completely. So
Yes,
if you
yes.
change the new data, it won't change the old data. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Cool. Good. 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 Just keep going. That's it. You'll
Yes. So we
definitely
wanted anything extra if there is anything to learn in Python, sir. Or else,
in
can you just give us few lists, sir, so that we can learn ourselves, like anything like that in Python, sir?
any sample list you are asking.
Ah, yes, sir. A list
No.
in
Like
Python, sir.
what?
Like all this tuple, all those like that. You told us, no, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Like
Like
we
what all we
want
have to
any
study, sir, like that.
You
Not this
want to.
list, sir.
Hmm, hmm. Okay.
anything that is related to data engineering,
Ah,
in
yes,
what
sir.
Yeah.
Can
ways
you just
Okay,
brief
Python
us
okay,
is
okay.
about it?
Those
required for
Python.
us.
concepts,
Yeah.
concepts required for a data
Ah,
engineer,
yes,
right?
sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
That thing I will share. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, mostly I'm
Ah,
currently in
yes,
my
sir.
day-to-day task, right? I mostly go through this list, tuple, set, dictionary, and those functions mostly. Okay, and and for loop, mostly for loop and if else. That's it. And try catch block, right, which I showed in the production grade coding, right? So try catch block and good practices, right? So how you write a what is this error handling, this try except blocks. Okay, so these things, logging and all like not needed, just be aware of that. Yeah, only those things. But yeah, I will definitely give you from scratch like what are the, I have some course, some list of contents. Okay, so that I will give you, and you can start practicing on that. Okay, but remember one thing, SQL and Python is very important. It's very important in your interviews as well. So just keep on practicing no matter what. So even you wanted to do anything today, so before doing anything, any preparing anything, AWS or Azure or whatever the cloud you wanted to prepare, but before doing anything, just start with SQL and Python. That's it. And you guys also needs to aware of this PySpark and all. That will see how we are going to plan. But yeah, definitely start with SQL and Python. It's very important. Okay. Okay. Just
Okay, sir.
be
Yes, sir.
consistent
Okay.
and just keep on
Okay.
practicing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start with concept, dictionary concept. Okay. Um, yeah. So dictionary means, what is dictionary? Any idea? Simple idea. I know you have some doubts with dictionary, but any idea, simple idea, what is dictionary? Dictionary is unordered. Dictionaries do not contain duplicate values. In the sense, duplicate keys, it won't contain any duplicate keys. But any idea like dictionary? What is dictionary?
So we
What is
can
real?
actually
Hmm.
store the data values there, sir, or
Data
key value pairs and
key
all.
value pairs. Yeah, dictionary means key value pairs. Like real dictionary, right? So you have a dictionary, you have a key, right? You have a key, and for that, I mean, you have a word and you have a meaning for that word. That's it, right? In the real time, okay? In the real dictionary, not the Python dictionary, okay? So real dictionary means you have a key and you have a meaning to that. Oxford dictionary, let's say, okay? Now in this Python, right? It's the same, right? So you have a let's say student underscore id, and you have details of that student. I'll show you how, because uh, let's take a small example. There is a student called student id, his name max marks, okay. Okay, let's not go with that, just name. That's it, very simple dictionary. Let's go with, let's not one confuse, one not one. Student id, okay, let's say one Ravi, two Sham. Okay. Three, Karthik. Okay. This is a small dictionary. Okay. So this dictionary, if I want to represent in a Python, how I'm going to do is dict one is equal to dictionary name. Dictionary name. Okay. So dictionary name is equal to, just to represent a dictionary, we need to go with the braces, curly braces, open and close. Okay. That's it. Now, now what is the student name? So 1, student id, right? Student id is 1 and student name is Ravi. This is one key value pair, right? So if you try to involve in the class, so that you will understand very better. Okay. Sharp, right? This is one more key value pair. Okay. Now second, who is the second student? 3, right? Karthik. That's it. This is the end of the dictionary, right? So this is what dictionary looks like. So you guys able to understand, right, how we created a dictionary here? Just please involve in this call, so that you have any doubts or something, right? I can just clarify here itself. Okay. You
Okay.
understand, right, how we created the dictionary?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Nice. This is the dictionary. Okay. So in this dictionary, this 1 comma 2 comma 3 represents what does 1 2 3 represents here? Any guesses?
Names. What is it?
Sorry, no, it's a dictionary is a key value pair, right? So what does 1 2 3 represents here?
Value.
uh, can you
Key,
think?
key.
Key, key,
One
Okay.
because
represents all the keys, sir,
yeah,
and the names it will represent the values, sir.
values, exactly, represents keys. Okay. And these names, right, names will represent values. Okay. So names will represent values. Now I just wanted to read this dictionary. Let's say I will tell you real time use case. Real time use case. Let's think of a database. Okay, very simple database. Database. So what is database? Anyone? What is database?
Organized collection of data.
Data, and arrange them in rows and columns. Right?
Uh,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is a database. Okay. Okay. I will think. Let me think in this way. Let me tell you this. So this is a database, student database. Okay. So to that student database, I just connected via Python. I made some connection via Python. I just connected to the database and read the data from the database. Okay. So this is the database table. Let's say not database exactly, table, student table, student table,
అన్న ఏ టైంకి వస్తుంది అన్న బస్సు ఏ టైంకి వస్తుంది 10
student
నిమిషాలా
table. Okay, this is a student table. I just connected to the student table and read the data. Now that data will look like this. Okay, because this is the key and this is the value. I mean, this is the column one. Let's say this is for column one, because you already know SQL, right? What are the columns and rows? So column one and column two. This is the row one. This is row two and row three. Now this data I'm going to represent in this dictionary way. Okay. Now I need to print this dictionary. Let's see how what will happen. Student underscore table. Let me see what will happen. See, this is the dictionary I got. Fine. Now I wanted to see what are the keys in this dictionary. For that, I just wanted to go and see student table dot keys. There is a function provided by Python. All you need to do is just use that function. So the student table dot keys will give the keys. Okay. So what are the keys here? What are the output you are going to see here? Any guesses? Any guesses? Hello.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Why? Because they are the keys of this dictionary.
Keys.
Okay. Did I give the name wrong? Yeah. See, these are the keys. Dict keys of. It's a list, right? It is giving as a list. If you see this, you're already aware of this, right? This square bracket represents a list. So dict keys are coming as a list here. Okay. Now, what are the values here?
Names.
Ravi, Shyam, Karthik, Payan.
Yeah. These are the names. So just run this again. I missed something here. Keys, student table, keys. Okay, comma. Okay. So these are the values. Okay, fine. What's the use with these things? Okay, so these are the keys, these are the values. So what we will do with the real time? Okay, in the real time, what I will do is, let's say I will see, let's say for example, let make this dictionary more complex. Okay, I just add one more here. Let's say marks. Out of 100, he got 99, 98. Let's say. Now what happens here? 99. Let's give 99, 100. Okay. Now how we are going to represent this as a dictionary? Any guesses? Any guesses or something? Because see, one thing on that day I gave some assignment, right? So does anyone complete that assignment? I remember I gave some assignment on that day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you guys able to complete? Actually, we're supposed to take that, but yeah. Okay, that's okay. So now, how I am going to represent this as a dictionary is, take this. Okay. Now again. Oh, sorry. Take this as a dictionary. Now I will take this student table. Okay. Now let's say, okay. Okay. Now this one Ravi is fine. Now I'm going to represent this Max marks as well in this dictionary. So how I can do is, I cannot go like this 98. No, dictionary won't allow that. Dictionary, how we are going to do is just q comma. No, let's go this here. List of values. Go like this. Okay. There are multiple ways to represent actually. Okay. This 98. That's it. Or for key, because I'm aware of my schema in the sense I'm aware of what are the columns I'm having here. 99. Okay. I think in case of any doubts, just let me know. Okay. So this is how I represent my dictionary. Anyone? Any doubts here? Hmm? No doubts?
No, no.
No doubts?
No, sir.
Fine. Okay.
Yes.
I'll go one more step. Here, what I will give is name. Everything is a string, right? So I just need to go string. Okay. Here, marks. Okay. So this is how I represent these marks. Okay. Marks, marks, names. Okay. So anyone, any doubts so far? I just gave the values. Now I just gave the name as well. I mean that column name as well. Okay. No doubts, right?
No,
Just speak
No,
yes
sir.
or no something.
no,
No
no.
doubts. So here, if you observe clearly, this is an student ID, which is an key for this table, for this database table, right? If you observe clearly, this student ID is the key because there could be many Ravis, there could be many persons with the same 98 marks. There could be many persons with the same name, but student ID cannot be same. Student ID is the unique value for this table, right? So that's why I have taken this one as a key to my dictionary, and this name Ravi and marks are just values to that key. Okay. Now let me try to print this table. Where is the student table? Let me take this, print this table. Now what will be the key for key I will get for this table, for this dictionary? What are the key? What is the key I will get for this dictionary? Key I will get for this dictionary. Hello.
Name and mark.
See, come again. So let's keep it simple. This is the dictionary, and what is the key for this table? That's it. Entire dictionary.
Name.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 will be the key,
1, 2, 3.
because for
Yes.
a dictionary there will be only one key column, and rest all will be values to it. This name, if you observe clearly, this is a list, right? This is a list. If you see here, list of values. So here, if you observe clearly, list of dictionaries. If you observe clearly, list of dictionaries. And if you observe more clearly, it's a dictionary of list of dictionaries. I know it's definitely confusing you, but if you observe clearly, if you go here, this is a small demo, right? This is a key, this is a value, this is a key, this is a value, this is a key, this is a value. See, this is a dictionary for you. Okay. Let me give print type. If you type and just give student table, let's see what will be the output. Okay, let me comment this, let me print this dictionary. This is a dictionary type. Okay, if I give this here, then what will be the output here? Any guesses? List, set, tuple, what will I get here?
Will get
List.
completely, sir.
You will get
List.
Both key and value.
no, see it again. I'm just printing type
No.
of this student table. What will be the type?
List.
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 List. Okay.
List. Okay. Somewhere I messed up. Um, I think I need to put it like this. Invalid syntax. List. Perfect. Perfect. You see here, right? This is list of. Is it a dictionary inside that? This is a dictionary, right? Dictionary with one key value pair. Dictionary with one key value pair. Dictionary with one key value pair. Right? So this is a list, because this is how you represent a dictionary, and this is how you represent an list, right? So this is clear for you. So how now let me remove this. Yeah, so this is a dictionary now. See, dictionary, perfectly fine. Inside a list there can be dictionary. Similarly, inside a dictionary there can be list of items. So here this is a list. Okay, if you go here, this can also fail, because I'm not giving the dictionary here, dictionary marking here. So this is a dictionary, and this is also dictionary. Let's go here, dictionary. Okay, so let's see whether this will work or not. I'm not sure. It can throw error as well. See, it's working fine. Okay, why? Because this is a dictionary. This is a key for this dictionary. See, let me remove this student table. Now let's see keys. See, keys are this. Now let's see values. Okay, student, what should I give here for values? I just mentioned a function to you, so what is that function? uh, New one. I just mentioned a function, right? To see keys you need to give dot keys. To see values, what should we give?
Name and marks, sir.
Okay, what should I give here? What was the function name I need to give here, so that I can see values for that table, for the dictionary?
Values only, sir.
Values, exactly, that's what I am looking for. Values. Again I forgot comma. See, these are the values. Okay, now I will do for val in student dot values. Okay, so for loop you are aware. I'm thinking you are aware. Okay, print val, comma, type of val. I'm just printing this. They give student name, student table. See, this is a dictionary, and if you see here, it is giving as a list. This value it is saying as a list, because this is a list here, because everything belongs to a value here. So because this is a list. Okay, now you are able to see, right? Let's go with this key, comma, value in dictionary dot. So, before that I wanted to show you one more function. Remember that. Okay, so there are few rules in Python, you need to remember them. Okay, hash and table dot items. Any guesses what we will if you use items? Let's see, items means you're getting the same dictionary. Okay, so even though you print like this student table, that's you will get the all the table. Or if you go with the dict underscore items, sorry, dict dot items, you will again get the same thing. Now here I will use this function. Okay, so simple. If you are still getting confused or something, just go here. If I need to start scratch for this dictionaries, Python, that's it. Just find a good website. This W3 School and dictionaries are this Geeks for Geeks is a very good website. Just go here. See what is a dictionary. So this is one is Geeks, two for Geeks for Geeks. In this website, just go there and just see how this dictionary looks like. See, all the remove items, loop dictionary, copy, nested dictionary methods, all these things are here, present here. Dictionary methods, there will be so many methods in this dictionary methods. Okay, see, clear, copy, from keys, get, items. See, items returns a list containing a tuple of each key value pair. So keys, pop, pop items, set default, all these things. These are the functions available. Just after this class, just go and see these websites. Okay, I will ping you in the chat as well. Just go and look at these things. Okay. So in this way, you will find many helpful resources. Just start referring. W3 School Songs and Geeks for Geeks are very important. I mean, very useful when if you start learning from scratch. Okay, just go there. Okay, now in here I'm going to give items. Now, now let's not do anything. Okay, key comma value. That's it. That's it. See, one is the key, value is the value. Okay. Now I just wanted to print test for before that. Okay. Now I just wanted to go with for val u in val dot items. Okay. Let's see what I will get. Print of, if I give val dot items, I need to give. So let's say give the key one, value one. Now here also key two, comma val two. Print key two, comma val two. Any guesses what we will get here? Any guesses? Um, you can just see. Yeah, yeah.
Sir, in value 2, we will get only the marks, I think.
Marks
Yes.
and
In key 2, 1, 2, 3 only, sir.
key two 1 2 3. Okay, but value two you say that. Okay, let me print key one and value one. Okay, let me run this. Um, sorry, it's val one, right? List object has no. Sorry, it's a list, right? Values in. Let me print these values. Let me run this. See, just want to differentiate this from first for loop. Okay, this is from first for loop. Okay, from the second for loop I only got these things. Okay, so this name Ravi marks. Okay, but it says that this type, let's say type of this value. Okay, let's run this. See, this is a dictionary. Okay, fine. Values is a dictionary. Now what I will do is, see, name Ravi marks 98. I wanted to print that Ravi got 98 marks. That's it. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, here how I going to do that? Let's see. Now you got values. Now value dot items I'm going to print. Let's see what it will happen. It won't throw any error because it's a dictionary. Ticked off items, ticked off items, right? Now instead of this, I'll go with for loop again here for key two, comma val two. Okay, in this print key two got marks. How many marks? Val two marks. Okay, let's see. Unmatched somewhere. Yeah. See, name got Ravi marks. Am I missing something? Relevant items marks got 98 marks. No. Name got some marks. So what it was doing is, it is going taking this key value. So this is key value. Okay, key two value two. Name got 30 marks. Take this as a key, this as a value. Okay, okay, okay. Instead of this, let's go with the other way. Int of key. Just give me a second. I'm just thinking. Here, just wanted to make sure that this values name got values marks. Let's see what we will get here. See, Ravi got 98 marks, Sham got 99 marks, Karthik got 100 marks. Okay, that's what I wanted to see, right? I'm just removing this for now. Okay, so what I did here. Okay, see, first, first these are table name dot items will give you the just items, right? You're already aware of that. What will table dot items will give this list of items, right? Now it gave me this result. Out of this, I'm picking key value pairs here. Key comma value. This one come as a key to me, and this entire list, right? This list will come as a value to me. Okay, this value to me. Okay. Now, now inside this value only, right? I have this Ravi and marks, right? Now I just pick this values val1. Okay, inside that I just gave this values, or you can just go with this like this as well. Val1, val1. See, what I wanted to tell you here is like I'm just trying to explain you how you can iterate access items in the dictionary. uh, val1 of name, sorry, we cannot go with the val1. The reason is here the val1 is a list. Here is a list, right? So in the list you cannot access like this. Okay, so list, if you wanted to access, because this is a list of dictionary, right? So if you want to access, it's a different approach, but here I'm not going to do that. So that's why I'm just going with this value 1 is a list here. Value 1 is equal to what here? Val1 equal to this here. Let's say in the first iteration. Let's take this. Okay, I'm just commenting this out. Okay, so this is the value 1 here in the first iteration. Now the key here is, what is the key here in the first iteration? Any guesses? Key 1. Even it's a wrong guess, fine. But what is the key 1 here in the first iteration? First thing. Uh, any answers? Yeah, yeah. Someone want
So 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, right? In the first case, it will be 1. Okay. In the first run, it will be like this. Okay. First run. Now, it will take this key 1 and value 1 here. Okay. Key 1 and value 1. Let's keep it here. Okay. Now, the value 1. Here, the values is equal to. Now, what is the values here? Just observe this for loop and let me know what is values here. Values equal to this one, right?
Name and mark, sir.
Name and marks, exactly, this is the one. Now out of these values, okay, now out of these values I'm extracting a name. Okay, see, I already if you remember, I already telling you like how to extract the data from a dictionary. So that dictionary name of this name, or you can remember these things. Okay, dictionary underscore name, this is a rule, just remember this. Okay, the key name. Okay, or dict name dot get of key name. Okay, so now here what is the key here? Here, what is the key in this dictionary?
Name.
Name. And one more key. There are two
Mark.
keys there.
Mark.
Marks. Yeah,
Marks.
marks. So this equals to a dictionary now values. Okay. Now I'm going to print this values of name. I mean, how many what is the name of this first record? Name of first record is Ravi, and
Ravi.
and value of that values of the marks. That means number of marks we
98.
got. So in this way, if I run this, I'm getting this Ravi got 98, all these things. Right. Now you understand how we are going to iterate through these dictionaries. Actually, this is a complex thing. If you are able to understand this, then that's it. You are able to work with any dictionary in future.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now in the second run, this is the first run. Second run, two here, and you will have uh here this one. Right. This is the one. Okay, in the second run. Now what happens? This is a dictionary, not a dictionary. It's a list. Let's say list. Now again, I will have these values here, values, right? Now what my dictionary will do? It will take values of name. Now it will be Sham. It will be this 99, right? Now then it will give me the Sham got 99 marks. Then again it will go for the Karthik and it will give the 100 marks, right? So that's how it is iterating, right? Exactly. You got right how this is happening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, I hope you're clear how to access a dictionary, right? Are you comfortable now, right? Dictionary, how to access dictionary? What is dictionary? Dictionary is a key value page for sure, and this is let's say think of a student table, small table, not this. Think of this. Let's remove max marks as well. Okay, just small table, student ID and name. Just don't consider this marks for now. One is a student name, one is a student ID, Ravi is the name. Okay, small dictionary. The small dictionary, this is the one. Okay, now these are the different keys. Like what? How, if you want to see keys of a dictionary, what should we give? What is the function we need to give? If you want to see keys in a dictionary, only keys. Hello, Arun, Anusha, Veda, Deepthi. Any cases like what was the function I need to give to see keys in a dictionary? Okay. What are the keys in the dictionary? What are the keys in this dictionary?
1, 2,
One,
One,
two,
One,
two,
three.
two,
three.
three.
If you want to see 1, 2, 3 as output, what should we give?
So we
Um,
should give like only my dictionary
My dictionary.
dot keys so that
If,
we'll get only the key values like that.
exactly. If you want to see values,
Dot values.
dot values. Okay, okay, fine, perfectly fine. See, these are the values, these are the dictionary and all. Now, if you want to access the items, what you need to give? If you want to access the items, I just mentioned you. Like if you want to access, you need to give dictionary name, right? I just gave that, right? Print, print. Okay, dictionary name. You only need to tell me what should I give. Dictionary name of
student name.
student name. Yeah, student name, right? Or dict underscore name
Student name.
dot get of student student name. Okay, this is how you will give. Okay, but if student name is the key, but here the key is 1. Okay, the key is 1, the key is 2, the key is 3. So here I need to give that, here I need to give that because it depends on the key. Here you got this, you gave name and you got this because here name is the key. Name is same for everything. Here the key is same for everything, but here the key is not same, the key is bit different. But in real time it won't be like that, but here the key is bit different. So what is the key here? Student underscore
One,
table
two.
Yeah, one. If I give one like this, what I will get? Let's see. See, Ravi. Because here one is the key. Here one is the key. If you understand this, then that's it. You're done with this dictionary. Student table of two. What we will get here?
Shyam.
What will be the output of this thing now?
Shyam and Karthik.
Yeah. See, I wish I'm Karthik. Let's say if I give name.
Rabi, just Karthik just informed that he is getting
Yeah,
some
yeah.
network issues,
No.
so
He
he
informed that he
cannot
is
join.
traveling. He's traveling.
Yes, yes,
So that's why he couldn't join.
yes. Okay.
See, yeah. See, if I just give name here, it will throw an error. See, key error. Name is not present because name is not there. Here the key is one. So that's why I need to give one here. Then only I will get the respective value for that one. Okay. So if I run this, see, this is how you get. Okay. Now, if you understand this thing, then you are perfectly all right, and you will be good with this accessing this dictionary. Okay. Just see one more thing. Okay. Dot get of get of two get three. Okay. Even this will also give the same output. I missed something. Oh shit. See, same output. Even dot get is also giving the same output. I do not have a let's say student dot get. There is no in some cases I do not want to see null here. Let's say there is no student no key for four, right? See, let's see. If I give student dot four here, four, what will be the output here? Any guesses here? What will the output of the student underscore table of four?
None, sir.
Okay, let's try that. My job got failed because there is no key error. Key error. There is no key, right? There is four is not present here. Okay.
Yes.
Let me remove this. Okay. Let me remove this. If there is no key, then how it will give you the output? No, right? It's not throwing an error. Even this dot get, if I use dot get, it's not throwing an error. But if I'm not using dot get, just going with the student table of four, then it's throwing an error because the key itself is not present. So what dot get will help you is it will go and check for that key. If the key is not present, it will give you none. Or if I mention some default value here, it could be anything. Just default value, it will give me that default value. See, default value. Let's see here. Let's say I will give Anusha. Okay. Now it will give me this thing, Anusha. Okay. Default value. Okay. If I go and put it here, student table of this, it won't give me the output, right? It will throw me an
Yes.
error. Okay. Now this is how it looks like. This is how this this dictionary and all looks like. This is how accessing a dictionary. Okay. Now just touch little bit on this list comparison as well. Small, small things. So if someone gave me a program to print numbers per numbers, small concept. Okay, numbers in range of 100. Okay, print numbers. Okay, so these are the numbers. Oh, it became very big. Let's go with 10 only. Okay, now out of these numbers, I need to print if that number is, I want to print only the numbers. Those are okay. Before that, before doing anything. Yeah. Now I wanted to create list of these numbers. Then how I will do is list one is equal to empty list. Then you guys aware of this, right? How to create a list? Append you ever of, right? Hope you have some knowledge on this list, right?
Yes, sir.
List 1. Let me run this. See, these are the list of values, right? List of values. Perfect. Perfect, right? This list of values. Now, I wanted to, this is how it looks like. List is equal to empty, I need to initiate. Step 1. Step 1. Okay. Step 2. Step 3. 2. Okay. Hash. Hash. Okay. These are the 3 steps involved here. Same output, no change. Now, let me take this. Okay. I wanted to create a list combination. For the step 1, right, I'm just creating empty list. Step 1. Okay. Step 1. Here, I need to give hello. That's it. Okay. Hello. And here, I need to give numbers. Here, I want to initialize this to list 1. List 1. Now, print list 1. Will I get the same output or any issues here? Okay.
Same only, sir.
Same only. Why? What we are doing here? What are we doing here in this brackets?
We
You
are
said
putting
list
in
will be.
list.
Yeah, we are putting a list. We are converting the center output into list. Okay. And what else we are doing here? We just created a for loop, and in that for loop, here also we created a for loop. If you see here also we created a for loop, and here we are just appending. We are just calling append function here. This is an append. This blue color one is an append, and it's an append function. We are just calling that list one. This is a list one empty list I created, because if I don't create this empty list, okay, it won't. It will fail. It will fail. See, if I don't create, sorry, it's already created, so that's why list two. As I already created, it's just append. Yeah, list two. See, it will fail because list 2 is not defined. If I define list 2, then only it will work. See, now it will work. I need to define my function empty list, then only I need to append these values. Okay, but here I do not need to do that. Let's go with list 3. List 3. See, for numbers in range of 10 numbers, just print this. See, list 3, same values, right? You understand the difference here? So it's the same function, same for loop will come here. This append, right? I do not need to give this append list to dot append. I just give the numbers. That's it. Get the numbers. That's it. It will work. Okay. So far clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to go that if numbers percent to double equal to 0, then only append the numbers. What does numbers percentage double equal to 2 will give in Python? What does this logic will do in Python? No idea.
Print reminder, sir.
Not reminder. Sorry, double equal to only.
It
Okay,
will
now
check for the numbers, sir, if it is
if it is,
like if it is like percentage to, if it is equals to zero, then it will print, sir. If not,
it
it
will
will not
print.
print.
So that means even numbers.
Ah, yes, yes.
Okay, even
Ah, yes, sir.
numbers. See, 02468. Okay, let me take this again. Take this again and put it here. Let me run this. See, same output, right? See here, any difference? No difference in the output.
No, yes, sir.
No, right?
No,
So
sir.
that's very simple. Let's say in future, if you're going with many for loops, many if loops, just take this out and just use this list. That's it. If you compare these two cells, both cells, let me clear output of all cells. See, if you compare both the cells, which one looks better for you? Looks and simple to you.
Second.
Second one, right? So that's what list comprehension will do. It will make your coding beautiful. Okay, that's how simple this list comprehension is. So again, if I start from scratch to learn this list comprehension, Python, just go and search it. That's it. Just go here. W3 schools again. Don't go for any other websites. Just go with these two. W3 schools and list comprehension. See, list comprehension. So see, for X in fruits, if A in X, no list would happen. That's it. Just you can go here and try it yourself. Just click on try it yourself. Then that's it. Just play with this data. Instead of cherry, you will some Kartik. That's it. It will give you the output. It's again a control. It's everything is there. See, it will. This is how it will give. Okay, just you can go here and just practice these things. That's it. These are very small things. You can just go here and you can just practice. That's it. Okay, or you can go to Geeks for Geeks. Okay, so this is what list comprehensions and all works. Okay, just go here. Last time I gave you a complex example. Maybe that way you are confused, but just go here. See, this is the syntax expression for item in iterable if condition. That's it. Simple. Okay, very simple. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. I'm just trying to compare. See here, let me try to build this. Build this in the sense I just wanted to make sure that expression is equal to numbers here. Okay, is equal to numbers, expression is equal to numbers, and here item is equal to numbers, right? I'm just comparing these two things. Okay, so this range of 10 is equal to iterable, range of 10, and if condition, right, condition is equal to this. See, this is how it looks like. See, now you understand, right? This is expression, this is expression. For numbers, let's say you do not want to go with this thing. I wanted to add one number to this thing, number 1. That's it. This is an expression now, right? We run this. See, 1357889. Even though it's 02468, but you got +1. You just give +1 here. Because of that reason, you got it here. Numbers. So for numbers, this will be the item, and here range of 10. This is the iterable. Okay, and this is number percentage 10 w 2 w equal to 0. This is the condition. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now here itself I wanted to make some tuple. Just give this numbers tuple. I will represent like this, right? Tuple. Just run this. You'll see a tuple 1010, or I wanted to give some set. Just run this. It's a set now. I wanted to make it a dictionary. You can make it as a dictionary. Just give this. It's a dictionary now. See, that's how simple it is. Okay, so these are very small things. You can just keep practicing, then you will learn more things. Okay. That's it for today's class. So you can just start asking your doubts in case of any doubts, or if you want to practice and come back tomorrow, that's also fine. It's up to you. Okay. Yeah, so it's up to you now. Just let me know.
Okay, we'll practice first.
Yeah, just practice, and in case of anything, just
Yeah,
let me
yeah.
know tomorrow. Okay.
Sure, we'll.
Have you guys created any separate like you're part of that group, right?